Local coding models were never the problem you thought they were. They were smart, genuinely smart. Good enough to refactor your functions, write your tests, reason through a stack trace. But you'd fire off a task inside your agent loop, and then you'd go make coffee. You'd come back, and it was still going. And plenty of people did exactly that. Watched it crawl through a single function, and quietly went back to the cloud. That's the real story of local Claude Code. Not that it was dumb, that it was slow. Slow enough that speed, not quality, is what killed local coding agents. So slow that the agent loop, the thing that fires dozens of model calls to finish one task, became completely unusable. And here's the trick that just changed that. It's called multi-token prediction, and it's the headline of the new Qwen 3.6 MTP release. Here's the idea. A normal model generates one token, then the next, single file, one at a time. That's the bottleneck. MTP flips it. The model drafts several future tokens at once, guessing where the sentence is going. Then it verifies those drafted tokens against the true decode path. Every draft that matches gets accepted for free. You already computed it, so you keep it. Wrong guesses are thrown out, and that position falls back to normal decoding. Sit with what that means. This is not a smaller model. It is not a quantized, dumbed-down, lossy shortcut. It is exact. The output is token for token identical to what the full model would have produced anyway. You get the same quality, just arriving faster. How much faster? Between 1.4 and 2.2 times faster generation, with zero accuracy loss. That's the part people don't believe until they run it themselves. And it gets better, because raw speed is only half the fight. The other half is context. This release pairs MTP with a gated delta hybrid attention design. And that engineering is what lets it hold a 262,000 token context window on a single consumer GPU. One card. Not a data center, not a rented cluster. Your GPU. 250,000 tokens of code and conversation, drafting multiple tokens at a time, living entirely on your own machine. This is the insight the whole local agent movement kept missing. It was never a quality problem. It was a speed problem. The models were already smart enough to sit inside an agent loop. They were just too slow to survive it. When every task fires dozens of calls back to back, a 2-second delay per call doesn't add up. It multiplies, until the whole experience collapses into that coffee break. Drop the latency under the threshold where it feels instant, and the exact same model becomes a tool you'd actually reach for. But I promised you the truth, and here it is, out in the open, not buried at the bottom. Because if I hide it, I'm just another hype channel. This setup is fast and usable, but it is not yet as reliable as the frontier. An independent field report, documented on the Jetson AI Lab tracker as issue 397, measured the JSON tool call error rate for this local configuration at roughly 12%. About 1 in 8. For comparison, Claude sits near 0.5%. 1 in 200. Let that land. When your agent has to emit clean, structured JSON to fire a tool, roughly 1 in 8 of those calls fumbles the format. That's the honest state of local agents in 2026. The speed is finally there. The tool calling reliability is not all the way, not yet. And that gap is the whole map of where this is going. Speed was the wall, and MTP just knocked it down. Reliability is the next wall, and now that things are fast enough to actually use, it's the wall everyone starts climbing. You can grab this yourself right now. It's the Unsloth Qwen 3.6 MTP GGUF release on Hugging Face, and it runs on the hardware already sitting under your desk. So we come back to the question on the thumbnail. Local Claude Code. Is it actually usable? For the first time, the answer isn't a flat no. The speed is real. The context is real. It runs on one GPU you already own. The catch is that 12%, the tool calls that still trip over their own JSON. So here's what I want you to decide for yourself. Is a fast, private, local agent that fumbles one call in 8 a toy, or the exact moment the frontier stops being the only option? Run it. Push it through a real task. And then tell me whether the coffee break is finally over. Because from where I'm standing, the slow era of local coding just quietly ended.